Welcome to Buddha's Way. Once there was a young woman named Ananya who was deeply heartbroken after being cheated on by someone she trusted the most. She felt like her entire world had fallen apart. Days turned into nights filled with tears, and nights turned into mornings where she just wished she could disappear. But somewhere deep inside, a voice kept whispering, "Stand up, Ananya. Life doesn't end here." One morning, she decided to walk outside after weeks of staying alone. She met an old monk under a peepal tree who was feeding the birds. He looked at her once and said, "You carry pain like a heavy stone. Do you want to put it down?" Ananya was shocked because he hadn't asked her story, but he already knew she was hurting. She nodded silently. The monk handed her a small cup filled with water and said, "Mix a handful of salt into it and drink." Ananya did as told, but the taste was unbearable. "It's so bitter," she said. The monk smiled. "Now take the same handful of salt and throw it into the river, then drink the river water." Ananya obeyed, and this time she couldn't taste the salt at all. The monk then said, "Your pain is the salt. You can't change how much pain life gives you, but you can change the size of the vessel that holds it. If your heart is small, pain will consume you. If you make your heart as vast as the river, pain will dissolve." Those words changed Ananya's life. She decided not to stay a small cup anymore. She started working on herself, joining an English class to improve her communication, then an HR course to build a career. Every day she woke up with a new goal. She realized that the person who hurt her didn't define her future. Her choices did. Years later, Ananya became a confident HR professional in a big company, respected by everyone. People admired her strength, but only she knew how far she had come from the day she was broken. Standing in front of her team one day, she smiled and thought, "I am the river now. Nothing can break me anymore." The lesson: life will test you, betray you, and break you, but you have the power to rise. Never let someone else's actions decide your worth. Expand your heart, work on yourself, and one day, the pain that once drowned you will feel like a drop in your ocean. Thank you for listening. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.